Hello student, my today's videos depends on msaccess exercise, how we can create a table, what is a table, what is a database, how we can create, how we can modify them, creating a form, designing, insert a value through form, through table, and all other things. Okay, before we starting our video, first we standing out that what is actually a database. In already my previous video I already tells you what is a database, kinds of database, but here something revision. Database is collection of tables, and you already know tables is a collection of rows and columns, where we can say also known as data, because data is a collection of raw information. Okay, so we start our video and just start your MS Access. So you can open the MS Access, where again is a two-way. First go to here, type Microsoft Access. Here you have option is a fourth option, Microsoft Access. Either you can open from here, or you can again run, then type msaccess.exe and then OK. Here is actually a home page of Office 7. If you have different version, it's different GUI features and uh, features of Windows. So it is actually home page of our Access. Here the option is a blank database. If you are using 13, there is a good GUI feature where is something uh, pop-up will start for blank database. Is a actually option is a blank desktop database. Here is a blank database. Just click on it. And the name of it is a first. What database is we can say database name is whatever you want. Just is a company. Just name of the company name is. Let's suppose I just here made a database which is name is something, company name is create. After that, this kind of window will be appear. So you either go to the design view. Here you can go view option. Then there is a two option, data sheet view and design view. Data sheet view is your current option which you have seen that time. It is actually data sheet view. And if you go to the design view, it is actually design view. After clicking on the design view, the first occur the table name. You must occur the table name is I just given employees. Employees over the table name and then OK. When you are as a database administrator, you have must decide what kind of field you are required. Actually, what is a field? You have seen the option in database which kind of values you want to the store in your database. So must be design. In second option, you have also decide as a database administrator that what kinds of data types you are using in your database. So deciding your database. So this is actually option. If suppose I'm a database administrator, I want that something files, something data will be numbers, maybe text or anything, various kinds of objects are there. Suppose now we want to add create a emp id. Suppose if I have a company, then must be employees, and employee must have a id which is a unique. So it is not a auto number, it's just a decide phone number. Then just emp name, so just decide is first name which must be text. If you are using window office 10 or office 13, there is an option is a short text and long text. And if you are confusing okay, what is actually properties of data type, you have click on here and just go to the field size. It is actually 255 characters, which is normally 255 characters stores at data time, where in comparison to 13, the short text is actually stored the 255 characters, whereas if you select long text, it is a n number of 65,000 approx characters are using. So generally we have selecting a short text because no person has a very long name as usually administrator want. So we have using just a text in 7 and in short text in 10 or office 13. Then it is a middle name, it is also be text. Then last name, it is also be text. Now next is a date of birth. Actually I want to also be that something date of birth employee. So it is not a kind of text, is it some kind of date and time, because date it is a kind of data, date type data. Next one is email. Mostly companies have email IDs. Where is the email ID? You will also be named as a text, but the good option you select this as a hyperlink, because in email we want to send email to any user. Then there is a next option is phone number. Phone number, it is must be kind of text, because sometimes the numbers are very long at the 10-digit text. If you have a kind of mobile number which is generally not stored in number kind of data.